Weston, do you want to go outside? Do you want to go outside? Shall we go outside and see what's outside, if there's any stars out tonight? Let's go see if there's any stars out. Because we know you don't like stars. Alright. We're going out. Looks like it is about almost 9:30 at night. And I'm going to hold the camera and open the door and hold the leash. Get ready, folks. We're about to go outside, right, Weston? Okay. Hang on. I've got to open the door. Going out. Where are you going? Come here. What do you see, huh? What do you see? Come here. You see stars? Do you see stars in the sky? Huh? Do you see stars in the sky? What? 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 Where are you? Come here. Come here. What? What are we going to do with those stars, those bad stars? They're always up there, those bad stars. Come here. No, we can't get the stars tonight. Are we going to climb the hill for the stars? Yikes. No, that's as far as you're going. Come here. You can't get the stars, Weston. You can't get them. Come on. My Christmas decorations. That's my wreath. And then we got a little potted something over here. And we got those on the door. And we've got the little kitty cat. And the wreath. And then we got the little kids on display. Then we got the doggy looking for the stars. Get away from them. Come here. Hey. Come here. Come on. You can't get the stars. Where are they, huh? Come here.